Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. Well, today we might trade Nasdaq. US 30 hasn't been really been doing good, especially yesterday. Yesterday US 30 didn't do anything, and we have about 10 seconds to market open. So if price keeps pushing to the upside, I'm not going to trade US 30, but I'm going to focus on Nasdaq today. And yeah, so we'll enter a sell position here if price goes down, and we're already in a sell trade. Alright, so we're going for a short position here on Nasdaq. 25 points is too big, so go for 20 points. I'm entering a sell trade on Nasdaq. I'm using 20 points today, and yeah, so let's see what price does for us. I don't know why we're retracing already, but it is what it is. Let's see, go for a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Price already broken below this level, so ideally we should keep pushing to the downside. I really hope we keep pushing to the downside. And yes, oh god, that was a good huge move. That's a good move right there. If we go below a 1 to 2, then we'll put our stop loss for a 1 to 2, obviously the same way we do it every day. Yeah, so let's see what price wants to keep doing. US 30, dumb shit, dog shit. US 30 does the dog shit right now. Alright, so let's keep focusing on Nasdaq. I think we chose the better pair today. Alright, so go for a 1 to 2 if price keeps pushing. Let's see. Alright, so let's see if price can go for a 1 to 2.5. Then from there we'll just, just hope we don't get faked out right now, bro. Alright, so stops to break even, man. I don't know, I wish we had gotten out. Alright, it is what it is, but let's see what happens though. Alright, so we might actually get break even, bro. We might get break even. Alright, so we just got freaking break even, bro. I would have put my stop loss target too, but I think I was a little bit late for it. I was kinda late, so I don't mind going for another sell position. If we push below here, I would not mind going for a sell position, but we already have this huge retracement, so let's not be hungry for a sell position. So we just got okay. I don't know, for that huge retracement, that retracement kind of looks crazy, so I don't think price I want to drop again, so I wouldn't want to take on the sell trade because we had a huge retracement. So let's see what's happening on the 1 minute time frame. Let's see what's up on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, okay, so price definitely wanted to keep pushing. Alright, so price wanted to keep pushing, so we'll take our sell trade here. I'm going to take a sell trade here on this low. If we break below here, 20 points. I just hope we don't lose that trade. So if price wants to keep pushing, then it should keep pushing. Go for 20 points. So here, that's if we want to keep pushing though. Price wants to keep pushing, then I want to see keep pushing below. Alright, so we're in a sell trade here. Take profit there. Let's hope we keep pushing. If we don't, then we lose the trade and we'll call it a day. But I wish a lot of stuff I wish I had done today, man. Alright, so let's hope Nasdaq keeps pushing. But it's a 50-50 trade here. It's a 50-50 trade, to be honest, because we already had this huge move to the downside. So we've already had a retracement, so I think we're good. Because if price just kept pushing, then I would have waited for a retracement. But on the 1 minute time frame, we already had a retracement, so I think we should be good because we already made a low. Obviously we need to make a lower high, which we already did here. So I just guess we should be good, but if we are not, then it is what it is. We'll come back tomorrow. And yeah, so price is still pushing. Yeah, so this is supposed to be 60. This time we're not making the same mistake. If price goes below a 1 to 2, stop loss at a 1 to 2. So first trade break even. Let's see what happens on the second trade. we should get to this level. Oh my god, now what? Oh, what the hell are we doing? What the hell are we doing? Let's see what price does, man. Let's see what price does today. US 30. US 30 deciding to go up. US 30 is now deciding to go up. Nasdaq is still dropping. Okay. Okay. In order for us to see a huge move to the upside, I guess we still have to come back here to where market opened yesterday, which was this level here. That's what I believe should happen. In order for us to actually keep pushing to the upside, like up to the upside, I need to see price get here. Yeah. So I guess if price goes below 1 to 2, we just just keep looking at, because this was where price actually ended up pushing to the upside yesterday. So ideally we should get here before we see a huge move to the upside. That's just what I believe. So I don't mind going for a 1 to 4 risk to reward. I don't mind going for 1 to 4, to be honest. I really don't mind going for a 1 to 4 risk to reward. Yeah, so let's see if we can get a little bit closer to where our to where market was at yesterday. We might not tap here exactly, but I feel like before price goes up, we should get to this area here. So yeah, let's just see what happens. Let's see what happens. And yeah. Yo, you can close your trade if you want to. You can close your trade if you want to be honest. If you want to, you can close your trade. If price is to 1 to 3, then I'm putting my stop loss at the 1 to 2. So I really don't mind. If price is to 1 to 3, then stop loss at the 1 to 2. Yeah, since I'm going for 1 to 4, it's not greed. It's just that I feel price should keep pushing to the downside. We do not have any reason to go up except we come to this level here. So we're gonna keep pushing down until we get to this level here. I would have put my take coffee here, but let's just close for 1 to 4. I just decided to close for 1 to 4 today. Yeah. So yeah. Uh, what happens when you've seen the market doing some dumb shit every time? US30 is still pushing up. Well, that's his business. I'm not trading US30 today. Price only went. Price already gone about over 100 points. Nasdaq. Yeah, we should keep pushing to the downside. What's happening? Okay. I'm not seeing my drawings for some reason. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not here. Yeah, I don't know. Everything just not there again. Ugh. Yeah, I think so. Okay. Okay, now we're having a retracement. Okay. Okay, now we might be cooked here. We might be we might be. I don't I anyhow anyhow whatever happens happens, man. Whatever happens happens. It's crazy how I would have just ended this day with a W, but like I was late here. That this is not this time doesn't look like it's gonna reverse. It doesn't look like it's going to reverse. I don't know why I can't see my joints, but I can add new joints here. Like where are my joints? Guys, guys literally tried to finesse us right there. Guys literally tried to finesse us right there. I just hope this candle is a good candle though. Yeah, but like I said, whatever happens, happens, man. Like this, or trying not to be so, emotional on these trades. So whatever happens, happens. Okay, okay. Let's see what US 30 is doing. Now US 30 is trying to make its way down. Okay, now my joints are back. Now my joints are back. Okay, so yeah, I have to draw new ones. Which one did I draw before this? Okay, so this might be it. Alright, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I just wish I'd, been way faster. The first trade I took, the first sell trade, because I would just gone home for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. But wait, I hope you close that trade though. The first trade, the first trade. Remember the first trade? Okay, but you're not in this trade yet. You shouldn't be. You should. Oh, you missed out on the first trade. Oh, oh, oh. But okay, okay. But you're in this trade. Okay, okay. Yeah, I wish I had closed out on this like first trade way faster. I would have just put my stop loss at 1 to 2, but I was kind of waiting for price to keep pushing a little bit to the downside. But I think obviously I messed up on that, and this is not my first time actually of doing that mistake. The first guy, this is not my first time, bro. I don't know why I keep waiting for price to keep going below a 1 to 2, especially when I'm going for 1 to 3s. For example, now on this trade, if price is to 1 to 3, then 1 to 2, I'll put my stop loss there. But if I was going for a 1 to 3 risk to reward, then obviously I would have waited for price to like hit a 1 to go for a 1, go below a 1 to 2.5 or 1 to 2, then stop loss to 1 to 2. Yeah, yeah. But let's just see what happens though. Price is tripping. I don't know. Let me see if US 30 is dropping. Okay, yeah. So Nasdaq, you should keep Nasdaq should drop right now. Nasdaq should drop right now, bro. Like we should keep dropping. We should keep dropping. I I know we saw this retracement, but like I'm still sticking to my words. I need before price goes up, we need to tap into this level. We need to tap into this level. If not because I'm going for like strict risk to rewards, I would have put my take profit here. But at the same time, you know, I just want to go for 1 to 4. let's make times four of what we're risking instead of just you know. But I'm still saying it though. Price needs to get to this level here before we push to the upside because there's nothing that should push price up. Nothing should push price up. Nothing. But if we get stopped out, like I said, it is what it is. Anything happens in this trading shit. Yeah. Yeah, you can. As far as you have your stop loss and take profit, then you're good. Alright. This nigga left and his trade is literally about to hit TP. Yo, that would be a huge surprise. This nigga left and his trade about to hit TP, bro. But it'd be crazy if it actually hits TP though. Oh, bro, this is one of the longest trades I've seen. This initial move would have just been it. This would have just been it. Like would have been done for the day. Well, because of my mistake, yeah, the first trade it would have been done for the day. Yeah, but it would be crazy though if you actually hit TP though. I would just be so relieved because this is actually taking way too long. You feel it will? Hmm? Yo, bro, don't enter the phone. Don't enter the phone. Don't enter the phone. I think we should bring the gun. Let's do some crazy shit right now, bro. Rice is taking way too long. Let's do some crazy shit right now. Rice is taking way too long. I said let's do some crazy shit. Rice is waiting. Yeah, so I'm bringing out the magnet and I'm going to scare the market off. Oh, he's walking. He's walking. It's working, guy. It's working. It's working. I finna double it up. I finna double it up, bro. It's crazy how we're doing this on a demo account, guy. It's crazy how we're doing it on a demo account, bro. I'm doubling it up on some Hitman shit. Oh, wait. Stop loss to target 2, 2.2. Stop loss to point 2. Stop loss to point 2 to target 2. I'm doubling it up. I'm doubling it up. It's working, guy. Guys, it's working. It's working. It's literally working. It's literally working, bro. Bro, it's working. It's it's freaking working. Bro, it's weak. It's freaking working, bro. Bro. Okay, I'm tripling it up. I'm tripling it up. Bro, don't reverse. Don't retrace on me. Don't retrace on me. Don't retrace. I really want to go home with the 124. Oh yeah, I will. Nah, I want to go home with the 124, bro. I wish, bro, it's tweaking, bro. Oh my god, now. Mm, I. Well, it is what it is. 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 1 to 2. 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 Not bad. Not bad. 630 on the account. 630 on the account. Well, it's not bad though. It's not bad. 1 to 2. That's basically what would have got him from the first trade. 1 to 2. Yeah. Well, yeah. Well, we can't complain. Just have to follow the rules. Yeah. Yeah. But it is what it is, man. Yeah. It was a nice trade, but it was way too long. Next time I'll be like way faster, especially when price is dropping. That I don't know what we basically do is like, for example, if price is like, let's say I'm going for a 1 to 3, obviously, which I normally use, right? Normally we use like a 1 to 3 risk to reward, 1 to 3 risk to reward normally. But look at price, look at price. Anyways, I don't want to like think of it, sha. Well, now notice how normally we go for 1 to 3 risk to reward. If price starts to go for like a one for is for example price is dropping. If price starts going below this 1 to 2, what I like to do is bring my stop loss to like a 1 to 2 risk to reward. I like to bring my stop loss here. That's when price is below a 1 to 2. So that even if we have a retracement, then we still go home for a 1 to 2. Yeah. Yeah, that's basically what we did. But that time I was so late because when price was dropping, I was so late to put my stop loss to 1 to 2, and then price just reversed. Yeah, so well, it is what it is. It is what it is. There's no way price is literally about to go for it. Nah, nah. It literally, he hit. I know. Yeah. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it. Wait, did you close for 1 to 2, or like are you still going for 1 to 4? Oh, oh. Well, it's chill. It's chill. It's chill. But at the same time, it's also good to have that stuff. Like when price is like going way too far, just use your stop loss or put your stop loss where you want to, because sometimes it might reverse and it might actually not come back. For example, you had a retracement here, even if you got stopped at for a 1 to 2, and price still went down. But sometimes price will literally like go in the opposite direction. Sometimes, so it's just good to just have that, just like a safety. That's why sometimes I might just go. Might just decide to go for a 1 to 2 and then call it a day. Yeah, yeah. But they were. Oh, it did hit a 1 to 4, but we can't complain. It's still trading. We'll come back tomorrow and then see what we can do. So we have one more day before this week ends. Next week, which is going to be next month, is going to be a crazy month. But lucky this week hasn't been bad. This week hasn't been bad for real. Yesterday, only God knows what happened yesterday. And we'll keep on trading Nasdaq. Like I said, US study has been doing dumb shit, especially like dog shit. Like what is this? Like what is this? We would have, yeah. We'll be trading Nasdaq for now. Yeah, we'll leave US study for now. Yeah, but we'll keep trading Nasdaq. Yeah, but I know price is going to hit this level. I'm saying it like I might not be here till then, but price will hit this level and then from here we'll go back up, because I've seen it happen. Yeah, because I've seen it happen that the area where 930 opened. I'm not just picking this level because of random, or because yesterday notice as 930 opened right here, so we had this huge move to the upside. Price most likely will come back into this level and then have a huge move to the upside, because it always happens, especially at 930 levels. Most times, yeah, because that was where market opened. So most likely price is going to reach that level and then have a huge move to the upside, a very huge move to the upside. But yeah, now you basically it 1 to 2 risk reward. Cost, it's kind of the same thing, because on the first trade we didn't really lose anything. I also predict. Alright. So on the first trade, lost -2. Second trade, we made it all back times whatever. Well, first trade -2, second trade 14. Well, it's all good. See you guys next time tomorrow. Peace.